Hi guys, today I'm doing unboxing and testing on this smart scale. That's a smart body composition scale. It's not just a regular bathroom scale, it's actually measure 28 different body metrics like including body fat, muscle mass, BMI, weight and some other metrics. As you can see, it's very well packed. There is a user manual. Also, this scale works with an app. There is a QR code that you need to scan and download the app. I will download the app now and I'll be back to show you how it works. The scale works with 4 AA batteries. They're already included in the package, so you don't have to worry about buying batteries. This is the app that you need to download. I already downloaded the app. Now you have to, when you download the app, you need to put your information, your name, date of birth, and now I need to connect the scale with the app. First I will step on the scale just to turn it on, and now you just press body fat scale, turn on, and now it should connect. Okay, paired successfully. Okay, now I'm gonna measure myself. You need to step on the scale, and when it's ready to go, when it shows 0, then you need to step on. Make sure your heel is here on the sensor. It's like this, and then you need to grab this one and make sure your thumbs are here, and your hands, they don't need to touch any other parts of your body, so that's why it's better if you're like more in front. It's still measuring, and now it's done. You can see only the weight here. Now I'm gonna go to the app and we'll see all the measurements on the app. Okay, so here right away the metrics there on the phone, that's my weight, 168. Here below is the weight, my BMI. You can see unfortunately it's in red, it's 27. And also the weight, it's too high, it needs to be at least 150 pounds in order for me to be in the green zone. The body fat, it's too high also. Here the other metrics, so what's my recommended weight for my height, it's 135, so unfortunately I'm not I'm overweight, so not very happy with the metrics that I got for my weight, but I like the scale and all the feature you can get when you measure your weight.